to Choo TV 24. Choo TV. Choo TV 24. A for apple, red and sweet.
A for apple. Apple means Sabbath. B for ball. Ball means kinder. C for cat. Cat means Billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for goat. Goat means bakari. H for hen. Hen means murky. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jugger. K for kite. Kite means patandang. L for lion. Lion means shared. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means kosala. O for orange. Orange means santara. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R for rabbit. Rabbit means karagosh. S for sun. Sun means Suraj. T for tiger. Tiger means Bob. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chata. V for van. Van means when. W for watch. Watch means curry. X for xylophone. Xylophone means shankar yantra. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means jabra.
Thanks for watching Chintu TV 24. Chintu TV 24. Chintu TV 24. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Chintu TV 24. Like and subscribe.